Every country transports goods through container ships. But have you ever seen the biggest container ship in the world? Let's find more about this ship that cannot cross the Panama Canal due to its beam. HMM Algeciras is the current largest container ship in the world, with a capacity of 24,000 TEU 20-foot equivalent unit. The HMM Algeciras surpasses the 2019 largest container ship Gulsan, which had a capacity of 23,756 TEU. The ship exists under the ultra-large container vessel category, ULCV. The ship's length is 400 meters, its width is 61 meters, and its height is 31 meters. HMM Algeciras is the first of 12, 24,000 TEU vessels of Hyundai Merchant Marine. This ship is built by Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering in South Korea, and it was delivered in April 2020. HMM Algeciras is equipped with a scrubber system, and it has an optimized hull design with an efficient engine for reducing carbon emissions. For propulsion, it has a MAN B&W G95 ME a C10.5 engine which produces 83,656 horsepower. The maximum speed of the HMM Algeciras is approximately 26 knots. The gross tonnage of the ship is 228,283 tons. There are a total of 7 HMM ships in service, 2 with a capacity of 23,964 TEU, and 5 with 23,820 TEU capacity. The HMM Algeciras is constructed in only 548 days by Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering. The ship is on Far East Europe for service. It is one of the Asia-North Europe trade lanes of Tichy Alliance, and port rotation starting at Qingdao, Busan, Suez Canal, Rotterdam, London Gateway, Singapore via Suez Canal. I hope you enjoyed the video. For more exciting videos, follow us.